7/8 wrench or oxygen sensor socket. We want to go ahead and loosen the oxygen sensor. I'm going to try and loosen this here. We did apply a little bit of heat to it to try and loosen that up. And just kind of work it back and forth, working the threads on it. Next, what we want to do is follow the wire up, and we're going to locate the connector and disconnect the connector. You're going to reach up right behind the cross member here. You're going to pinch or press down on this tab. In our case here, our whole sensor or the harness just popped out of a clip. So we'll be able to pull it down below a little bit, make it a little bit easier to get to. Push down this little tab right here and separate the connector like so. Gonna pull that sensor out. You want to double check the connector of the one that you received and check the one on the vehicle, make sure that it's a match. Go ahead and thread in your oxygen sensor. Now there is a crush washer on the oxygen sensor. So when you tighten it down, you want to make sure that that washer pinches down and it gets smushed. And go a little bit further from there. So we'll go ahead and get it snug and go just a little bit more. Then you go ahead, when you connect her up, connect it. You'll hear a click. Go ahead and feed it back up and feed it into the mount or the hole in the body. Then put the harness in the clip. There you go.